Hey everyone, and today I will show you how to get a $1,000 discount on Tesla. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is search Tesla referral code. And then look for referral code in Reddit. Once you find your Tesla referral code, click the link to go to Tesla. And after that, you'll now be redirected to a Tesla website with a $1,000 discount off of a brand new Tesla. You can then proceed to order a Tesla. Here you will see your $1,000 discount. You can then choose to order your car. And that is how you get a $1,000 discount on the Tesla.